Utaina is a collaborative government-funded project to digitise Crown-owned, at-risk audiovisual material in the care of Ngā Taonga Archives New Zealand and the National Library. So what we're doing here is making sure that this material is accessible now and for future generations. And to do that, it has to be preserved. Utaina is currently the largest audiovisual digitisation project ever undertaken in Aotearoa, New Zealand, and one of the largest in the world. Without digitisation, this material could have been lost within the decade due to physical deterioration and increasingly obsolete playback technology. It represents the shared mission of New Zealand's heritage organisations to safeguard the nation's history, cultural identities and collective memory. The name Utaina was coined by Apirana Ngata, and it refers to loading the precious freight on board. You don't get more precious taonga than audiovisual heritage, which has recorded our nation's history and memories.
So every item that goes through Utaina needs to be assessed. So we bring it in from the vault, we inspect it visually for its condition, signs of any damage, any deterioration, any mould, any breakages in the case itself or snap tape. We're looking also for the documentation that's also with the carrier. So the paperwork may contain shot lists, transcript, production notes. If there's any notes that give us information about that tape if there was a dropout. It'll help us to know that we have correctly digitised it in its original form. The carrier will also be given a UID, a unique identifier code, which will be a QR code, and that will be a sticker that will go on the carrier and will follow it through the process. Yeah, logistics is huge when it comes to this project. So we've just looked at one tape here, and then one tape becomes hundreds of tapes, becomes thousands of tapes, dozens of different formats, organising them through bins and batches and shipping these across to Memnon. Thousands of these a week are headed that way, and then thousands also come back once they've been digitised. The technology utilised in the Utaina project through QR codes and scanning has meant that we were able to track all of the items in our care. It's a very effective way to run such a mass project. We are lucky to have partnered with international preservation specialist Memnon, without whom we would not have been able to do this project. So Memnon have brought together a vast array of obsolete AV equipment from around the world and have assembled it into various production lines to handle mass digitisation. So they've brought together a bunch of skilled technicians to run the machines, maintain the machines, and at times fix the machines, and to make this project achievable. So once the carrier has been digitised, it is then returned to us. What's left after this process though is the digitised file, which is what this is all about. That file is sent across to our servers and securely stored on those. The vast majority has been successful straight away, so we're very happy with the results.
In an increasingly digital world, we have evolved to become a digital archive. Utaina has played a huge role in that. Its impact is profound and enduring. We're very proud of the mahi that's been put in by everyone over the past few years. The taonga are safely back on the shelf where they will stay, knowing we have safely digitised them, safe in the vault.